Next we are going to discuss about one numerical based on the adiabatic process, and from this idea you can calculate the some numerical problems of isothermal and adiabatic process also. Okay, so the problem number 1, an ideal gas is suddenly compressed, then its volume, if it is compressed, volume reduced. So initial volume is 2V0, and when it is compressing, the initial volume V0 2V0 to V0 by 2. So then find out the ratio of pressure. Ratio of pressure we are going to find. So gamma factor, compressibility factor, gamma equal to 1.5 they given. So we know this equation, initial volume, that is V1, is equal to 2V0, and the final volume V2 is equal to V0 by 2, that's given. And one more thing they given, gamma factor is equal to 1.5. Instead of 1.5 I am taking 3 by 2. I think that is better. 1.5 is equal to 3 by 2. And we are going to find that a P1 by P2. P1 by P2 ratio we are going to find. Find out the ratio of pressure. P1 by P2 we are going to find. And one more thing from this problem. The ideal gas is compressed suddenly. Sudden process. Already explained what is adiabatic and what is isothermal. Sudden process, it is adiabatic. And slowly process, or if the process throughout the reaction, temperature is constant. Such a process or slow process, temperature remain constant. That is isothermal process. But sudden process, okay, sudden process, it is adiabatic. So from this idea, from the hint, suddenly compressed, from the idea it is clear the process is adiabatic. Okay, so if the adiabatic process, what is the equation? PV raised to gamma is a constant. That's why P1 V1 raised to gamma equal to P2 V2 raised to gamma. Okay, so we are going to find P1 by P2 equal to V2 by V1 whole raised to gamma. V2 given, what is value of V2? V2 is equal to V0 by 2. V1 equal to, that is V1 equal to 2V0, and the gamma factor equal to 3 by 2. So substitute P1 by P2 equal to finally V2. What is V2? V0 by 2 divided by 2V0. 2V0 whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay. So V0 cut, denominator 2, here numerator 2. So finally 1 by 2 square. 2 into 2, 2 square. Whole raised to 3 by 2. Okay. So multiply it. Okay, multiply to inside. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Finally, so in this equation, 1 by x raised to m whole raised to n. So what is the relation? 1 by x raised to mn, like, okay. So similarly, so here 1 by 2 square is there, 2 square whole raised to 3 by 2. This can be written as 1 by 2 square into 3 by 2. Okay, so that's why this 2 cut. So finally 1 by 2 raised to 3 is equal to 1 by 8. This is the answer. So final answer is P1 by P2 is the ratio of pressure, which is equal to 1 by 8.